Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we do all the hard work, so you don't have to. Today, we're going to dive into the battle of the century. In the left corner, we have the NARWAL Freo robot vacuum and mop, the luxury car of robot cleaners. And in the right corner, the Tikom robot vacuum, the budget-friendly hero for all you thrifty folks out there. Ready to rumble? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. NARWAL Freo comes in at a whopping $1,399. You could literally buy a small island for that price. Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. Meanwhile, Tikom is just $399. It's like comparing a 5-star hotel to a cozy Airbnb. Both get the job done, but one leaves your wallet a little lighter. Now, let's talk tech. NARWAL Freo boasts the Freo mode that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Self-cleaning, self-washing, drying. This thing practically does your taxes for you. Plus, it has DirtSense tech to detect dirtier spots. Because nothing says, I care like a robot that judges your cleanliness. On the other hand, Tikom flaunts 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, which is a fancy way of saying it knows where it's going. It maps your home faster than you can say, where did I leave my keys? And stores up to 5 maps. It's like having a GPS for your floor. When it comes to mopping, NARWAL Freo is not playing around. It has smart swing mopping and corner traps technology, which means it can handle corners and baseboards like a pro. It also has 3 mop drying modes to keep things hygienic. Basically, it's like the Mr. Clean of robot mops. Tikom, on the flip side, offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping with a 3-level water output. It's like ordering a combo meal at your favorite fast food joint. You get a little bit of everything. And with a 250 milliliters water tank, it's ready to tackle the messiest of floors. All right, let's talk suction. NARWAL Freo has high-speed spinning mop pads with 12N downward force. It's like having a mini tornado in your living room. No streaks, no problem. Tikom, however, brings a 3,000 pascals strong suction to the table. It's like a vacuum on steroids, perfect for pet hair, dust, and whatever else your floor decides to collect. Plus, it automatically boosts suction on carpets. Talk about going the extra mile. In the Smart Features department, NARWAL Freo supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. Just make sure you're not trying to connect it to 5G, or it might have a little meltdown. Tikom, however, is a bit more flexible with app and voice control via Tuya Smart App, Alexa, and Google Home. It's like having a personal assistant that only cares about your floors. Plus, it sets up 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls. It's like building a fortress for your carpets. Based on Amazon reviews, NARWAL Freo is praised for its advanced cleaning capabilities, powerful suction, and smart navigation. Users love its self-cleaning feature and overall performance, despite some minor issues with water usage and getting stuck on rugs. On the other hand, Tikom is celebrated for its ease of use, powerful suction, and efficient navigation. Reviewers appreciate its quiet operation and dual functionality, making it a great value for its price. So there you have it, folks. In the blue corner, the NARWAL Freo with its high-tech, high-cost, high-everything approach. And in the red corner, the Tikom, the budget-friendly, feature-packed underdog. Which one will you choose? The luxury ride or the economical hero? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy. Peace out. Product links are in the description.